Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got an exciting video for you guys today. It's 100% based on the Cardano ecosystem. I haven't done too many of these. I plan on doing a whole lot of these moving on into the future. There will be technical analysis, some projects that just fired off today, and key news, and actually also key insight that you may or may not already know about Cardano. All right. So for starters, let's change my screen here and let's talk about why the market has had such a capitulation in the last few days. Silvergate is the banking system that is used by the crypto market. There has to be an easy way for them to get fiat currency in and out of the crypto market. And everybody owns a bank, so that part's easy. But when you're talking on mass scale, this is where Silvergate comes into play with all the exchanges and the U.S. SEC and who knows who else behind back doors. They are going after Silvergate, so there is significant solvency problems right now going on, and hopefully this doesn't end up becoming a bigger issue. There's also concerns about Binance right now, if Binance is going to go under or not, because there were some questionable business practices, at least in the Binance.us, that there was questionable business practices, and the SEC is looking into them. Now, that's what leads us to this point we're at right now. And before we do anything else, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to Retro Crypto YouTube channel, and let's jump right into the technical analysis. All right. Oh, by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right. I got that one out of the way. All right. Here we go, guys. So right now, Cardano is in the number 8 market cap spot, which is not bad. You figure Bitcoin's up here at number 1 at 433 billion. Ethereum's at 191 billion. Drop one down. Binance is at $45 billion, which I pray that this does not turn to the Red Swan event, because Binance going down is going to hurt. It's going to be very painful for the crypto world. Just for one reason alone, we got Hex at 12 billion, and you have Cardano at 11.49 billion dollars. It is a big deal if Binance goes down. Now let's take a look at Cardano on the charts right now. Cardano has been continuing to uptrend since December 22nd, and honestly, it's been a very strong uptrend. We did have a significant wick down here on March 2nd, and we could continue that trend. We're currently sitting at what, 33 cents US dollar. It's not bad. The fear and greed indicator, I like to consider this a neutral point for that. The MACD actually has Cardano as being bullish right now. Only problem with the MACD is the MACD lags behind the crypto market. Now, looking at Cardano, with this is my market cipher free version. It's called the Vu Manchu. It's on TradingView. It is free. And it's awesome. I love it. And I did some a little bit of changes to it. I added the Ichimoku, and I also added the VRVP profiler. And I'll explain how to read it. It's very easy. All right. So first things first. We'll start out here on a 4-hour chart, and you'll see that the Ichimoku is predicting Cardano to continue a bearish path. Now, looking at the support levels, now the support levels on this chart goes by how much of Cardano I have shown of the past history. And the key support for Cardano right now is 31.5 cents, 0.317 cents. The top resistance point is at, what is that? 42 cents. So Cardano needs to break through 42 cents at some point. And we all know it's going to happen. I have no doubt in my mind. Now, looking at this chart here, you'll see that Cardano fired off with a bearish continuation on February 20th, a short signal, a sell signal, and then a bearish continuation, a bunch of bearish continuations. And we haven't had anything different. We just kind of been continuing this downtrend, but hopefully it does not break this key support level. Now, when dealing with black swan events like we are facing right now with Binance and Silvergate, anything is possible. But this is where it's important that you're investing in projects that you respect and that you truly believe is here for the long run. Now, if you're speculating, that's when people get scared. But me, when it comes to Cardano, I love Cardano. I know Cardano's not going anywhere. And I'm looking because my Sorry, guys. My there it is. My what do you call it? Green screen wasn't working right. There we go. Sorry. All right. So back to business. Now on the Cipher B divergence here, um, you'll see the volume is down for Cardano. That's the yellow. The momentum is down. The cash flow is down. That's the red. The momentum's the blue, by the way. And we're struggling to see if it's going to go positive or negative. But right now, it's just 100% bearish, and it's kind of falling in line with Ichimoku. The RSI is indicating it's oversold, and if it's doing anything, it's going lower. It's definitely not going up right now. So this chart says nothing but bearishness for me. And all I'm hoping is that the 31 cent, the support level right here holds. Because if that doesn't hold, it can have a significant drop after that. Now, moving forward, the exponential moving average has Cardano as being bearish. And I believe the daily chart should be bearish now. Yes, it is. So it's completely under the ribbons, daily and the 4-hour chart. So Cardano is bearish there. Now, the moving averages for Cardano, the purple is the 50-day. The green is 100. I'm sorry. The purple's a 20-day. The green is a 50-day. The orange is the 100-day, and the red is the 200-day. Now that's a perfect fan, but it's going the wrong direction. So what can you say? Just keeping it real. It's going the wrong direction, but the VRVP is also indicating the same thing with this chart, and that's it's going to hold at 31 cents. Now, if we open this up a little bit, just out of curiosity's sake, the 23 cent is absolutely key. It better not drop that low. But if it does, I'm buying more. What can I say? I love Cardano project. I've been following Cardano before Chico Crypto challenged Charles Hoskinson to an MMA fight that they're going to do as a charity event. And Crypto Crow, that's how I was introduced to Crypto Crow, actually, because that's Chico Crypto acted like a nut. It was a whole big story, but I've been around for a while. And now you believe me because I know that story. All right. All right. Jumping forward. All right, Cardano mints first wrapped Bitcoin, similar to Ethereum, assessing the 432 billion. Is that accessing? That's accessing. That's assessing. Accessing the 432 billion dollar Bitcoin market report. All right, Cardano has shaken the crypto world with an accomplishment that shows a massive improvement in the ecosystem. According to cNeta BTC, Cardano has successfully minted its first CBTC, a wrapped version of Bitcoin on the Cardano network. The operation of CBTC is very similar to that of WBTC, wrapped Bitcoin, on the Ethereum blockchain, apart from the fact that it does not require centralized custodian. That's huge, guys. And right here, you'll see, I'll keep going. one main merit of this is that wrapped Bitcoin on the ADA network could unlock liquidity from the $432 billion Bitcoin market. This is because wrapped assets like WBTC enable the transfer of liquidity from different ecosystems. CBTC coming to ADA would provide users with the functionality of Bitcoin on the ADA network. According to the information, users would have to add their ADA address to the Bitcoin transaction metadata and make a deposit to create a CBTC. This will then be processed and confirmed by the cNeta BTC. CBTC would be minted and sent to the user's Cardano wallet once the Bitcoin is confirmed. So, long story short, you can have wrapped Ethereum. Wrapped Bitcoin on Ethereum network. You will now be able to have wrapped Bitcoin on the Cardano network, which is huge. This is very huge. Now, this project here on cNeta, they have been around. I'm not saying they've been around for a long time, but I have been aware of them thanks to drip drops. If you have not taken advantage of drip drops, let me know if you need a video about that. The drip drops is very cool. But the this network here this is where it's coming into play. I didn't want to do a how to use video on this because I'm not even sure that this is 100% up and running. But if it's not, it's definitely coming. And cNeta, I also wanted to talk about this because charting is actually my specialty. I suck at research, but cNeta, as you can see, took off, and their chart looks quite good right now. The Ichimoku has it being bullish for the next 4 business days. And when I look at the daily chart, they are still destined to continue being bullish. That is good. That goes all the way out until what date? March 31st. So we jump back over here to the 4-hour chart, and you'll see that right now it's sitting at 0.0392. It has a very strong support level that last was established on March 3rd at 0.0274. Now, for this project, I am not going to purchase it just yet. I'm going to use my Fibonacci retracement, and I would like to get it. It's had a nice little run up, but I'm suspecting it'll have a pullback. And with the volatility in the market right now, even though Cardano just made a huge announcement, doesn't mean things won't pull back. So cNeta, I am hoping to purchase it around 0.0325, right at the 61.8, and that's using a Fibonacci retracement. But hopefully, you never know. If I miss the run, if I miss it, I miss it. But I want to get it at a good price. All right. And the RSI definitely has it as being overbought right now. When things are overbought, it's definitely not a good time to buy it. All right. Last but not least, Cardano Power NFT Giant launched a new site feature details. What? Cardano Power NFT Giant launched a new site feature details. It just sounded weird to me. I'm sorry, guys. All right, here we go. A top Cardano-based NFT marketplace, JPG Store, has rolled out a new feature called language localization to ramp up its site's translations and provide broader access for international artists to create NFTs. According to the press release, the new product is part of a larger strategy aimed at attracting the non-English speaking world. Speaking of the launch, Blake Bakelock Brown, CEO of JPG Store, said, "We're passionate about creating as much opportunity as we can for all creators. We've proudly paid millions in royalties to our current NFT creators, but this is a massive opportunity, should belong to all people," and blah, blah, blah. So basically, all right, here, let's see what this is. That said, JPG Store has propelled Cardano NFT industry to achieve over $470 million in total sales in just over a year since its launch, handling 97% of the current NFT volume on a blockchain. This is huge. And you can see the different languages they're working on: Portuguese, French, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Chinese. I don't know what language. Oh, simple Chinese, I guess. And Chinese, Latin. You know what? I really don't know what that is. All right, I know Mandarin Chinese. Anyway, so that's it for this video, guys. But I'm going to start creating a lot of Cardano videos. I'm really trying to figure out what's the best way for the content creator to be a content creator for Cardano, folks. There's a ton of projects. I don't know if you guys just want me to dive into the actual projects of Cardano and do technical analysis, or you just like a little bit of news, a little bit of, here and there technical analysis. Tell me what you want. Go leave a comment for me. Tell me exactly what kind of videos you would enjoy for Cardano, focusing towards technical analysis and bringing projects, that you don't know about. But with all that said, please remember to like the video, subscribe, and most important of all, have a blessed day. All right, guys. Peace out.